India reports first COVID-19 death in Karnataka. Manipur government declares holiday for all schools. And JESSIA files nomination for Rajya Sabha elections. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA now giving you the news in details. India reported its first coronavirus death late on Thursday after samples of a 76-year-old man who was a suspected COVID-19 patient and passed away on March 10, tested positive for the disease. B. Sri Ramulu, the Health Minister of Karnataka, said in a tweet that authorities were currently carrying out contact tracing, isolation and other measures related to the case. Earlier in the day, the Health Ministry said the number of patients in the country has risen to 74, with fresh cases reported from Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Ladakh. The coronavirus has now infected more than 1,25,288 people globally, according to the World Health Organization. Google today confirmed that an employee in their Bengaluru office was diagnosed with COVID-19 and has been put on quarantine. The spokesperson for Google said employees working at Bangalore office have been asked to work from home tomorrow. A 76-year-old man who died 2 days ago in Karnataka while being treated for suspected coronavirus has become India's first COVID-19 fatality, the state government said yesterday. The number of COVID-19 patients in India has risen to 75, including 16 Italians and 1 Canadian. The figure also includes 3 patients from Kerala who were discharged last month following recovery. With the WHO declaring COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic, India has taken the unprecedented decision to suspend all visas bearing select categories till April 15. Government of Manipur under the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has advised the people to reduce mass gathering to prevent the spread of COVID-19 novel coronavirus in the state. In a press release, the Manipur government has appealed to all concerned to seek prior approval from the concerned Deputy Commissioner for organizing mass gathering events. Meanwhile, the Education Department Government of Manipur has ordered all schools, including government-aided school and private school in the state, to remain closed till March 31st to ensure reduction of mass gathering in view of the COVID-19. The release, however, stated that all kinds of examination already scheduled by BOSEM and COSEM will not be affected by the order. One of the most popular topics on the Chinese microblog Weibo on Thursday was a 1-minute clip of a U.S. congressional hearing this week on how the country was dealing with the coronavirus as per media reports. In the video posted by the People's Daily, Robert Redfield, director of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, is asked whether there have been deaths attributed to influenza that could actually have been the result of COVID-19. Redfield responds in the affirmative. Some cases have been actually diagnosed that way in the United States today. Redfield's vague answer was enough to add fuel to a conspiracy theory that has been gaining traction over the past 2 weeks in China, that the coronavirus did not originate in China but may have come from the US instead. Titular King of Manipur, Lamjingbatomtv, today filed nomination for the March 26 Rajya Sabha elections as BJP candidate. The National BJP recently declared him as the Saffron Party's nominee from Manipur. The total strength of Manipur Assembly is 60. The opposition Congress in Manipur is yet to finalize its candidate. Manipur Chief Minister and BJP leader and Biren ministers and MLAs accompanied Lamjingba during the filing of nomination papers. Lamjingbatomtv said he has been chosen as BJP nominee from the state and the main objective is to serve the people and preserve the sanctity of the royal palace. CM and Biren also thanked the centre for choosing Leisemba Sanajauba as the seventh party's nominee from Manipur. He added that the center has given recognition to the legacy of the state.
Konungi legacy si ngak naba adi masi makha phajana mai future am semba yadaba amasung leibaki thabak che nangai ai chai kun mari manga uchen chen leibaki torok pase kharai hena masak tongna tawba ngamna gi adi wakhal lode da masi yajabani
in India. So we are very proud and thanks to the national leaders for appointing selecting the titular kings Leisemba Maharaj for the Rajya Sabha post. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing ama chawpat marifom doi ki hong chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ina lereklaba Nauka gi info center ama hangjare TV ama phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum from the tabangam da gi awab mayok na dibna al kuding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic nga simakling directuna completely invisible water resistant ama rechargeable odaba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwana badong gi khangna chana ba single power se tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangmam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam lamjingbatomtv Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBNE. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Aku pamarol gi damak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tawbiyo.
Adom ki angang na school da kari tawri oza na kari takpiri yum da gi amadi office da gi yamna laina live class yengba yaraba status gi ahanba school and day care tiny fit ki oina admission hauzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure. Healthy breakfast and lunch at school. Highly qualified and caring staff. Creative activities and educational games. Interactive learning through music and movement. 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar, Tuliyaima.
Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1 within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2 outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3 outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 1800102759 or 8794613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir.
Welcome back after the break. Burning of waste at Imphal's Hau Kaitel last night caused panic among shop owners as the fire became danger. The incident took place around 9:30 p.m., a report said today. A brigade team arrived at the spot and managed to control the fire. Hill Tribal Council Mori HTC burned and destroyed a large quantity of seized drug, which included brown sugar, heroin and WY tablets yesterday. The drugs were seized from various places of Mori town during separate drives, HTC said today. Common Service Center CSC, E-Governance Services India Limited CSC SPV, Manipur today organized a one-day state-level workshop on digital micro, small and medium enterprises MSME scheme at the auditorium of Indian Institute of Information Technology IIIT, Manipuri, Imphal East. The workshop was held under the aegis of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. As a part of Poshan Pakhwada, a drive against malnutrition and awareness program for Angalwadi workers of Luang Sangbam, was organized by ICDS Imphal East. On the occasion, Supervisor of Angalwadi Luang Sangbam sector, Binarani Kangabam, urged all first-time pregnant women to take the benefit of Poshan scheme.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ PMMB ꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯆꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯡꯊꯛ ꯂꯩꯅꯅꯕ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ 5,000 ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯄꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯅꯥꯛ ꯅꯛꯄ ꯑꯪꯒꯟꯋꯥꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯎ 5,000ꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
Now we have the sports news. The 6th Northeast Kung Fu and Kickboxing Championship 2020 was kicked off yesterday at Sivsagar in Assam. The 4-day championship is organized by All India Kung Fu Federation. 42 players from Manipur are taking part in the championship. Team manager T.H. Norendro, coaches and Birain and A. Pintu Devi, and General Secretary of All India Kung Fu Federation and TOMTV Bishnupur correspondent Dr. H. Roman led the state Kung Fu team. A marathon carrying a message to stop using single-use plastic, keeping surrounding clean and maintaining a healthy society was held today in Thawbal district. The race started from Thawbal DC gate and ended at Lamding ground. The marathon was jointly organized by Water Sanitation Committee, Thawbal and Education and Enhancement Organization EEO, Lamding under the supervision of PHED Thawbal Division. Executive Engineer of PHED Thawbal Division and Livingstone appealed to the people to make a plastic-free environment. Laishram Priyoberta of Cherapur secured the first position in the marathon and KH Dhanabir from Wangbal and H. Benjamin from Lamding secured the second and the third position respectively. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. India reports first COVID-19 death in Karnataka. Manipur government declares holiday for all schools. And Leshem Basanajawa files nomination for Rajya Sabha elections. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.